Hi, would you like to be able to be sitting at your laptop or your computer, maybe on the couch watching TV and decide, it'd be nice if I had the fan on or a lamp on, all done wirelessly? Well, using Bluetooth, it's just that easy. And that's what we're going to cover today. So let's explain how it works. Now, this is our PuTTY interface. You have multiple choices. I have selected serial. When I press the 1 on my keyboard, the light comes on. When I press 0 on the keyboard, the light goes off. This is the setup using the Bluetooth to turn on and off this 110 volt LED lamp I have built. It is plugged into this outlet. Now there's 110 volts supplied to that outlet through the cord here, and it goes to the lower right terminal on this side, the lower left terminal on this side. No, actually, I'm sorry. It goes to the upper right terminal on this side, lower left terminal on this side, which puts both outlets are live or they're turned off depending on what I've selected using the PuTTY interface. Now, the cord is plugged into the 110 volt outlet at this end, and one lead of the cord is going to the outlet and the other is going to the relay on the normally open side in the center where the green wire is running. That's your common. So the common wire is running to the outlet, and the other wire runs straight to the 110 volt outlet. So that puts this outlet in connection with the relay. So when the relay is activated, the switch closes on this point here, and this connects from the common to here. Connects. The switch is connected. A little red LED comes on here to show that the switch is switched, and we have 3 wires coming off the relay: hot, ground, and then the signal. Now the signal comes over here to pin 13 on the Arduino, and for the voltage we're coming to the breadboard. Now the breadboard has the power coming to it from this power supply over here. So the relay is getting its voltage from the power supply, not the Arduino. Now the grounds are shared. The ground from the relay comes over to the breadboard, and the ground from the Arduino is going to the breadboard. And then the power is being drawn into the voltage in pin on the Arduino Uno from the breadboard. So the relay does not have to rely on getting its current from the Arduino. Were the relay to pull more than 40 milliamps and it was drawing the power from the Arduino, that would more than likely ruin the Arduino. So we're getting the power for the relay from the power supply. Now here's our Bluetooth 4-pin module, and it also is drawing its power from the breadboard and the power supply. And then the signal wire is coming from it to pin, let's see, is it going to the Bluetooth comes out and is going to the pins 0 and 1, the receive and transmit serial transmission on the Uno. The transmit pin from the Bluetooth module is going to the receive pin 0 on the Arduino Uno, and the transmit pin 1 is going to the receive pin on the Bluetooth module so that they can communicate. And of course, when we press 1 on our keyboard, and just the 1, we don't have to hit 1 and then enter, just press 1, and that sends a signal to the Bluetooth module, which sends the signal to the Arduino Uno, which then sends the signal from pin 13, turning on the onboard LED, as well as sending 5 volts to the pin 13 on the Arduino Uno. The 5 volts travels from pin 13 to the signal in pin on the relay, activating the switch, which closes the connection here between our common and the normally open pin on the relay. When that closes, of course, that completes the circuit on the 110 volts coming from the 110 volt power outlet, which powers on our lamp. Pretty simple. There'll be a lot of photographs going through the entire process. Link at the bottom of this in the comment section there in the YouTube video. So thank you for watching Volt House Electronics Laboratory.